One of the very first things I do with my Wild Women apprentices is teach them how to properly make a cup of tea. The fact of the matter is that there are a lot of things online that can teach you about herbalism, but might be missing one little step that will potentiate your medicine that you're preparing. And making a cup of tea is a really great example of this. When you make your tea, you want to make sure that you cover it while it steeps, because a lot of the volatile substances that are in those plants evaporate into the air and then can recondense into that cup of tea for you. And whether you're making tinctures or you're working with essential oils, there's a lot of little nuances like this in the world of plant medicine and in the world of healing that can make a big difference in the results that you get for yourself and your clients. So while I would never be a person that would say we all have to do it the same way, some of these little tips and tricks really do make a difference in how somebody's going to feel when they're using something medicinally. And if that intrigues you and you are interested in mentorship, reach out and let's have a cup of tea together.